Hi everyone, let's see if this works. Third time's the charm. So here we go again. I got some blue, red, and yellow out. And I'm gonna do this, just demonstrate blue and yellow, and make a green. Then I'm going to add some more yellow, make a lighter green. And then I'm going to even add a little bit of white and make a lighter green even still. And maybe even a little more yellow. So there's 3 colors there. And I'm going to use this blue and some white and make some background paint. Now you can use your palette knife just to spread it on there. I've gessoed this True Ray construction paper, and it's postcard size. Just to get it on there, I'm going to spread it out. I think I use a palette knife because I don't care for brush strokes. And then I'm going to run over it with my palette knife. You scrape it up, it leaves some pretty marks. Then I'm going to use some white for some background. And then I'm going to, on the first one I did a little snow scene with my palette knife. But I'm going to do the Christmas tree I showed you guys in a group. So I get my round brush out. Make sure we're still recording here, which we weren't before. And I get my dark green, and I start making my tree. Add some blue. You're going to get into that white, but don't worry about it. If you want to wait for each section to dry, you could do that. I just keep on going though. Go in there with this knife. Go back into my dark green. And I think the beauty of this is the fact that these colors, these cool colors, mix together. Fill in your little gaps there. My paint got a little watered down there. I'm washing my brush. That's okay. I just made myself sound like Bob Ross. Made me think of him when I was telling you that's okay. So then you go to your lighter green, put your highlights in. Then I always go back and add a few darks back in towards the bottom. Then you wash your brush off. Add some snow on the bottom if you want. You can even roll your brush and it doesn't get all covered. Kind of gets rid of those brush strokes again. I like to go in and scrape a little. Looks like the snow's piled up on the front. And then you can go in and get some of your blue. Maybe a little of that peachy color you mixed up. Makes kind of a off blue, but it makes a pretty shadow. And put a shadow on your tree. Get a little darker up under it. Then you get your fan brush. You can even get a little blue on that too if you want, and tap it. Not enough water. You gotta kind of put the excess water off to the side or you'll have big old blobby snow. And then you just tap your brush for some snow. And you go back with your other brush, get you some yellow and a little bit of white, and you can put lights or bulbs or whatever you want. I used to do the tree in our yard till I fell off the ladder and I quit doing it after that because it was tall. Knocked the wind out of me. So there you go. There's your little tree. I made a snow scene. I don't know if I remember. I don't remember if I told you I made a snow scene with a house for the one that is on my page. So this is the second because my tripod arm broke. So I hope y'all all have fun with this and can't wait to see what you did. Thanks.